Today you'll be making a 3D paper sculpture made with paper tubes. You are looking at a large-scale sculpture here by an artist named Jean Dubuffet. If you've seen my other video, you've seen these sculptures before. He's known for an art movement called art brut or raw art. Today you're just going to be using copy paper to make your sculpture. We'll begin by covering pieces of copy paper with different abstract linear designs. These can be straight lines, wiggly lines, zigzag lines, however you like. We'll also be adding a little bit of color to learn about emphasis, which is one of our principles of art. So to get started, you're going to draw several lines. Make sure those lines are thick enough using a black crayon on copy paper. And you're going to do this on at least 5 sheets of paper. Once you've drawn on those 5 sheets of paper, you're going to fold them in half, hot dog style, and then cut on the fold for all of your papers. Then you're going to take a pencil and you're going to roll the paper tightly. If you roll it too loosely, it won't be as strong. So you're gonna roll it pretty tightly until you get to the end, and you're gonna add your glue. Once you have 4 sheets of paper, you want to go ahead and start building your structure because it takes a while for that Elmer's glue to dry. So you want to start with either a square or a triangle base just to make sure you have a strong foundation for your sculpture. I'm starting with a rectangle or square here. I started with 8 rolls. You can see right there on the upper right. And then I'm showing you a trick here. If you look closely, you'll see that I only put the design on the top half of the paper to save some time. So if you made it this far in the video, you'll save yourself some time and energy there, just drawing on the top of the paper. And then you want to add emphasis with a marker or crayon. Jean Dubuffet was known for using black, white, and at least 2 to 3 other colors. So that's what I'm repeating here. And I decided just to keep going with that pattern all the way up. You can choose to do yours differently. Once I see that you can use Elmer's glue responsibly, then I may start to allow you to use our low temp school hot glue guns. I do have a class set, however, I need to see that we can use materials responsibly before we use these because you can still burn yourself. But it does help in the building process because it dries a little more quickly than the Elmer's glue. And here I'm just making an asymmetrical top, and my sculpture is abstract. I've had some students make theirs into more realistic shapes. I had someone make a chair, but you can build yours however you like. Keep turning it and just make sure that it's aesthetically pleasing from all sides. And you must use at least 20 rolls of paper, and enjoy.